Dirty repo time. That's right. Even though the market closed at noon, we still had a dirty repo today at 12:45 after the market closed. Wonder what crime took place then. We are at 1.451 trillion at 74 counterparties. This is a 3-turn date since we are on a Friday, so it'll be returned Monday. As far as recent operations, we are just slightly the same. I'm sorry, slightly below where we were yesterday. Wednesday to Friday, we were at 1.452 or 1.452 trillion. Now we are down just slightly to 1.451 trillion with 74 counterparties, the same amount of counterparties that we saw before Thanksgiving. I assume it's the same entities. So again, basically flat in the repo, but I found it interesting that we did have a repo today despite the market closing early, despite trading occurring in after hours during this time. So very interesting to see that. Anyways, that's what I have for you as far as the repo. I got one more video coming out for you today, and then I'll leave you alone. You have a good one, and I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Jack to the tits, buckle up, all that good stuff. Yeet.